2012 Mini Cooper. Have a small tiny oil leak at the oil pan drain plug. Gonna replace that 8mm style plug with a regular 17mm replacement. Here we go. This is a little trick that I learned online. Trying to make this video as quick as possible. I'm not the originator of this idea. There's many people doing it. Just repeating the information. Hope it gets to you quicker. Here we go. Gonna turn on the shop vac. Try to do my best to hold the camera for you while I do this. I'm not the greatest in the world at it. And this is being torqued down to 22 foot-pounds, or approximately 30 nanometers. 17mm socket will do the trick. Sorry if you didn't get all of that in the shot, but I'm again trying to do this one-handed. It is torqued 17mm socket, 22 foot-pound torque. I think that converts to 30 Nm. And this job is done. We can now turn off that vacuum and hopefully we have no more leaks, and we should be good to go. Have a great day. God bless.